So I'm gonna show you how I went from this to this.
But I'll be on it always.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla Roisin, and today I'm going to be sharing my top secrets. Like, it's not really top secret, but I'm going to be showing my curly hair routine. I don't know about you guys, but I'm the world's laziest curly hair girly. So I'm going to be showing you steps that are quite easy that you can recreate at home, that are low effort, minimum cost, and they get your hair looking good. Let's get into today's video. So a little bit of background story on how we got here. I actually don't know the exact time I started doing natural hair. I don't know when it happened, and I didn't bother to check. So that shows you how lazy I am with my hair. I've used like a bunch of products, from Tresemme to actually curly hair products versus like cheap $1 products. So I'm going to be giving you guys a little insight on what I do. I actually have a 1 hour time crunch, so this is really going to show you how quick and effective this routine is. So I'm going to change my outfit so I don't mess up this cute pajamas. I don't know if you guys do pre-washes, but I don't do pre-washes. If you have time for pre-washes, you're not really a lazy natural hair girly. You're not really invited to this club. So I'm going to show you what I do. I like to get the shampoo and conditioner mixed together, and I put it on at the same time. Yes. Let's get up, but it is what it is. So today I'm going to be using this one by Shea Moisture. This one is actually really nice and soothing, so I really love this. And then we're also going to try this one by XHC. It smells literally amazing. This is the only reason I use it, because of the smell. For the shampoo, I like to focus on the scalp. What I've been implementing in my new routine is this little shampoo brush, and it works wonders. It literally gets every knot out of my hair. You see that? Oh, gorgeous. Y'all see the curl definition? So we're going to finish off the rest of the hair, and I'll get back to you. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. Now we're gonna go wash our hair. I'll see you in a minute. So 25 minutes to go, and my hair is fully washed. This is where my hair starts to get deceitful, because it is quite long, but it looks really short. Let's do a clean test. It looks pretty clean to me. So we're gonna get to conditioning and styling. Let's go. We're gonna go in with some leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is by Pamela Rose. The one thing I don't like about this conditioner is the smell. I hate the smell of this. That's how I usually choose my hair products, is literally by the smell. Because when people are walking past you want them to smell like some nice clean hair. You know what I mean? This smells old, but it works, you know what I mean? So I guess I use it. We're just gonna break that. I like to use a little bit of actual conditioner. I just feel like it helps the curls pop a little bit. And I don't know, it works for me. If it don't feel you, don't do it. And then I like to go in with some conditioning gel, and I like to rake this in through my hair. So typically you should leave this on overnight, but I have 20 minutes, so we're going to do what we can and make this look as nice as possible. You already see the curls starting to wow. So you're just gonna want to repeat this on all the hair. I'm not gonna show you that. I'm just gonna show you the end results like this, just to save a little bit of time. So as you can see, my hair is all moisturized. So we're gonna give this a blow dry. We have 1 minute left. We're running out of time, so I'm going to add some gel, and then we're going to style this a little bit. I'm gonna use some Eco Styler. Hate it or love it, but I love it. And we're gonna use the Shine Gel together. This combination, ooh, so good. While we do the other side, we're going to stretch it. I look like that. So now we're gonna style it so that we look good for the day. I'm just gonna do a low ponytail because I got a cute little accessory that I want to add to my hair. So that's our little ponytail. And to fix the edges a little bit, because I have a big forehead, I have to be real with myself sometimes. I don't really do baby hairs, but I like to keep some hair out with the intention of doing baby hairs, but I never do them. Yeah, you can just roll them with your finger. I usually always do that to make like a faux curl. So next I want to show you the accessory that I got. It's super, super cute. It's like a little gold flower. All my accessories are gold, so this is going to look super, super cute. And we're just going to pop that into our hair. And you can just let some pieces fall out of this little gold clip. And then the back, or the back edges, I usually like to also curl those just so that it looks a little bit more cohesive. Just rake that through your hair and let it take its own shape. And this is the final result. I love it. And it looks cute. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you would love to see some more hair content. Comment some hair content ideas that you would love to see me try. See you guys next week. Bye.